Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy two-step process on how to delete trashed wallet account on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Some of you might want to remove a wallet from the Trust Wallet account. It's a very simple process. To do so, simply tap Open your Trust Wallet application from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged in first. From the main homepage of Trust Wallet, tap on the Settings button at the lower right-hand corner. Now from the Settings menu, select First Wallet option at the very top. This should show all the wallets that are active on your Trust Wallet application. In order to delete an account, you must delete a wallet. Simply swipe your main wallet towards the left-hand side, which will show up a Delete button. Tap on Delete in order to delete your wallet for Trust Wallet. Remember that the wallet will not be deleted forever and can be recovered anytime as long as you know your recovery phrases for the particular wallet. If you don't want this wallet anymore, and you'd like to permanently delete the wallet, simply tap on the Delete button in the pop-up. But if you want to use it in the future, then you must have a backup for your wallet. Once you tap on Delete, you should see that you've landed in the main interface of Trash Wallet. If you know your recovery phrases for the previous wallet that you just deleted, you can simply tap on I already have a wallet and tap on the multi-coin wallet option. Paste in the recovery phrases that you backed up and simply tap on Import. That way you can get inside your wallet as well. If you've deleted your wallet by mistake, that is how you can easily get rid of your wallet or delete your Trust Wallet account using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.